guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's session I'm going to tell you about JavaScript object. JavaScript object is a variable that are going to be like a container, a different data values, and that they're going to be a like any example we can take in our real life, like any of the object. So I'm taking the object as a car. So when we buy a car, it's going to be a different properties. Car having the different colors, different weight, different name, and it's going to be a different methods of using like start and the stop methods going to be a different. So here we go. Let's create the web page of an employee. So employee are having over there the different ID, different name and different salary according to their work. So let's create the web page together.